So I'm going to show you how to make a simple tassel made from embroidery thread, and it's the same kind that we use on the Liberty Fabric Bookmark project from the summer 21 Craftpod. So all you need to do is take a small piece first of all of the embroidery thread and pull it from the end with the number on. This will stop it from tangling up, it's much easier that way. You just need a small piece, and then you also need about 1.5 meters length that's going to become the main body of the tassel. So you just lie the small piece over your hand between your thumb and first two fingers, and then wind the main length around your hand, so either 3 or 4 fingers, and keep winding it round until it's all used up. And then you're going to take the two ends of the smaller piece and draw them together and hold them tightly as you pull them off your fingers. And then make a knot to secure your wound up loop. And then you need another small piece of embroidery thread, which you just tie near the top. Tie it into a double knot, and then you just combine those ends into the rest of the tassel and then trim with sharp scissors, and that's your tassel. And you just need to make another knot at the top and trim the ends off.